Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm simply going to show you how you could easily make the text bigger on Snapchat. So if you want to send a bigger text on Snapchat, but you don't know how to do that, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Snapchat app. From the Snapchat, you have to simply head towards your chat option at the bottom of the screen. Head towards that particular chat you wanna send the message. For example, I want to send the message to this chat. I'll simply tap on hi. Now, if you want to change the size, what you have to do is to simply drag the arrow above, and this is how like the size is increasing and decreasing. But the thing with that is you have to simply use the most up to date version of the app. And now, as you guys can see that how big the text has been sent. So this is how you can use the Snapchat bigger text option. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.